Welcome all. As you can see from this first image, this is our new canine reward system. It's a reward system which is remotely operated by the third party to give a clear, precise reward which can override the inexperienced dog or the handler. Okay, what you can see from here now are the contents of the bag of the canine reward system. You can see from here, it's broken down into components to make it more versatile and mobile for endless use in scent detection. Okay, you see now the contents of the bag of the first complete mobile scent wall. We can use 1, 2 or 3 of the components depending on the stage of training the dog team are at that particular time. You now see all the contents out of the bag and placed in situ. Again, so you can see why this system is versatile and very mobile. Myself and EDD Detector Dog are about to start the research and trials on the canine scent detection system. Okay, so now we see the full mobile scent detection system in place, ready to operate. So what you're going to see now is the handler and dog working along the scent wall on the floor, on the scent pots. Once the dog gets the odour, we're looking for the freeze. And once I'm happy, or the third party rewarder, the instructor or assessor is happy, he'll give the click and the ball will drop into place. So there's many things that we do tactically with this so the dog doesn't become dependent or visual on the upper reward. It's only rewarding from the source of the odour, staying focused on the odour before it gets its reward. So now you'll see the video in use. So the dog gets lined up, keeping control, command the dog, out the dog goes. You can see around here now, there's a lot of distractions in the background of dog odour. Dog gets in odour, gets the reward. You'll see from here, there's a lot of dog odour from the dogs urinating in there. That's why I chose this specific area, because the dog is working over distractions of other dogs. And as you can see from here, it maintains that very well. So what you see here now is the system in situation. You can see from there, each of the portals is suspended in the air, all loaded up with its reward system, the tennis ball. This is very mobile, very versatile piece of kit. It can be placed literally anywhere. So what we're doing here now, we've got the actual scent pot on the floor. What we're looking for is the dog to actually hit the scent pot and ignore the reward system which is placed above, because otherwise the dog will very quickly realise that the actual reward is coming from above and not actually staying obedient to odour and focused on target. Okay, so once we put the switch down here, see from here, the ball comes out immediately from the third party user. This eliminates any handler error, any dog error. It's immediate. The ball comes out when the dog hits and stays focused and obedient to odour. This is very important when we're doing this. Otherwise, the dog will start leaving the odour for the greater reward, which is the ball coming from the top. We don't want that. We want clear, obedient to odour. Then the dog gets the reward system. Most important, and this is why we developed this, to stop any error on the part of the handler. And it also teaches the operator at the back, the instructor, to synchronise reward to odour. And obviously it's very accurate, brief, and it's precise, which is what we're looking for when we're teaching the first stages of the freeze to odour. It's very important that we do this, otherwise it all goes out of sync and you're going to get a bad dog indicating falsely, looking back to the handler, looking up to the system. So in a nutshell, you can see the full system from the bag, placed out in any mobile environment in which you were to train, so we can maintain variety to training.